Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Guess what we have today? As promised, y'all, what was this? I have no clue. As promised, y'all, we have this vanilla, caramel, and cream. I believe this is a soda, y'all. Is this a soda? Let's see. Is it carbonated? Yes, it is carbonated. It's a carbonated water. What's that about? It says vanilla flavor and cream flavored soda. Yes, so it is a soda. It's a carbonated water is what it has in it. Okay. But it is a soda, y'all. I'm going to get straight into it, y'all. I'm not even about to play no games. Have I ever heard of it? No. So this right here is my first time trying it. Frostop or Frostop. Y'all, I believe it originated in Ohio. Let me make sure I'm right. Does it say it on here? Let's see. It says, yep, Columbus, Ohio. Okay? Alright, y'all. If you ever had it, let your girl know. If not, stay tuned. And I'll let y'all know how I like it. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Did y'all hear that? Ooh, that was so disappointing. Y'all heard no fizz. I heard zero fizz at all. Let's smell it. It smells like a cream soda. Yes, it definitely smells like a cream soda. Alright. Cheers. Let's try it. Okay. Yeah. How can I explain this? It kind of tastes like coffee cream almost. Like a curb. I don't even know how to explain it. I guess, okay, let me say this. Because I'm saying coffee cream because it's giving a creamy taste. So let me say this. It tastes like a, if you were to make a root beer float, but instead of using root beer soda, you use a cream soda. That's what it tastes like to me. But it's not strong at all. It doesn't have a fizz. It's not bad, y'all, but it is definitely sweet. It's more so of like a dessert, I would say. But it tastes just like a cream soda to me. Yep. Y'all taste just like a cream soda to me, y'all. And that's really the only way I can explain it. If you never tried it, I would say try it. They do have ice cream down here. And like I said, it does taste like, to me, like a root beer float made with cream soda. But y'all, I know this is probably not the video that y'all thought that it was going to be. It's not strong at all, y'all. So, sorry that I'm not burping, but it's not strong. So, y'all, I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video where I try something new. Okay? So until we chat again, until we vibe again, until I see y'all tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Hold on, y'all. Ooh, that must have been built up. Bye.